Back in the 1500s, there was a small dog called the turnspit. Its job was to run on a wheel that turned meat over a fire. These dogs were common in kitchens until the mid-1800s, when new machines replaced them. The turnspit was just one of many dog breeds. Dogs today come in all shapes and sizes, making them one of the most varied species on Earth. For example, a tiny Pomeranian may weigh only 2 kilos, while a massive Mastiff can weigh 100. So, how did dogs become so different from one another? And what does a dog's breed really say about it? All dogs came from ancient wolves that began living around humans at least 15,000 years ago. They were the first animals humans domesticated. Over time, people started breeding dogs for special jobs, like guarding, hunting, or herding. By 11,000 years ago, dogs already looked very different from one another. Later, in Victorian England, dog breeding became formal. Instead of breeding only for function, people also bred dogs for appearance and set rules for what each breed should look like. But the genetics of dog breeds are complicated. When scientists studied the DNA of many breeds, they found 10 big groups that linked to old working roles, like hunting, retrieving, or scent tracking. Still, it's hard to clearly connect DNA to traits like looks or behavior. This is especially tricky when it comes to personality. One big study found that only about 9% of personality could be explained by breed. Some strong traits came from old wolf behaviors, like border collies staring and stalking, or retrievers loving to chase and carry things. Certain habits also show up often. Portuguese water dogs enjoy swimming. Retrievers love fetch, and huskies and hounds tend to howl. One of the most heritable traits was how well a dog follows human direction, with border collies standing out as the best. Other behaviors, like walking in circles before pooping or being aggressive, don't link strongly to breed. For example, pit bulls are often seen as aggressive, but the research doesn't fully support this idea. Small toy breeds did seem less social with other dogs, but that might be because of their size or how they are raised, not just their genetics. Overall, genes explained less than 25% of a dog's personality. This shows that both nature and nurture matter. Even service dog programs, where dogs are bred for good temperaments, still produce some dogs that don't qualify. In the end, while humans have shaped dogs a lot, a dog's breed doesn't fully define who they are. Their personality is a mix of genetics, environment, and life experience.